In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy your Fresha link in a detailed, easy to follow guide that's perfect for any Fresha business user looking to enhance their online presence. Whether you're a salon owner, a wellness provider, or a fitness guru, having a straightforward way for clients to book your services online is crucial. And that's where your unique Fresha link comes into play. It not only simplifies the booking process for your clients, but also helps you manage your appointments efficiently. So let's dive in and walk through the process together. First things first, you'll need to visit the Fresha for Business page. You can find this by typing https://www.fresha.com/for-business into your web browser's address bar. This link takes you directly to the page dedicated to business owners like you, providing all the tools you need to manage your offerings on Fresha effectively. Once you're on the page, the next step is to log in to your account. Look for the login button, which is usually found in the upper right corner of the website. A simple click on this will take you to the login screen, where you'll see different login options. Here you should click on the option that says For Business. This ensures that you're accessing the section of Fresha tailored for business owners and service providers, which has functionalities specific to business management, rather than the consumer-focused areas of Fresha. Now it's time to sign into your account. For ease and security, Fresha allows you to sign in using your Google account. By clicking on Sign in using Google, you'll be prompted to choose from the Google accounts currently logged in on your device. Select the account you wish to use for Fresha and you'll be logged in. It's a speedy way to access your dashboard without the need to remember another password. After you've successfully signed in, navigate to the online booking section. This is where Fresha centralizes all the tools and features that let your clients book your services online. Within online booking, you'll find an option named Link Builder. This is essentially your first step towards creating a direct booking link for your services. In the Link Builder section, you'll notice a very intuitive interface. Here, look for and click on the Create Link button. Fresha has designed this tool to be straightforward, guiding you through the process seamlessly. Upon clicking to create a link, you'll be taken to another section where you can customize your link based on the services you offer. The thoughtful design of Fresha's web interface makes it easy for you to specify exactly what you want your clients to see and book. After tailoring the settings to your preference, you'll need to click on Create Link again. This solidifies your choices and generates your unique custom booking link. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for, copying your Fresha link. Once your link's created, you'll see a copy button, which when clicked copies the link to your clipboard. It's designed to be a one-click process, making it super easy to then paste this link into emails, social media posts, or any other digital marketing materials you use. This link is the bridge connecting your clients directly to your booking page, simplifying the process for them to schedule appointments with you. Let's wrap up with a few parting tips. Remember, consistency in your digital presence can significantly enhance your brand's image. So use this Fresha link across all your online platforms to provide a streamlined booking experience for your clients. Additionally, regularly check your Fresha dashboard for insights on how your link is performing and which services are getting the most attention. This data can be invaluable for fine-tuning your offerings and marketing strategies. And there you have it, an easy step-by-step guide on how to copy your Fresha link. With this link, you're not just offering a service, you're providing a seamless booking experience that can set your business apart in the competitive market. Thank you for joining me today, and I wish you success in your business endeavors.